So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can solve your Instagram story uploading problem and you are seeing error while posting your Instagram story and it's not being uploaded. So I'll share with you only a total of 3 steps. The very first step is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that you have to go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it. And you have to first of all tap on this update button and update your Instagram application. This is the very first and mandatory step. If you don't do this, you may not be able to solve your story uploading problem on Instagram. So first of all, update your Instagram and see if the problem has been solved and try posting a story. But if you are still not able to upload your stories on Instagram, then let's move towards the second step, which is you have to open up your settings of your phone. And after that you have to scroll down, and here you get an option general, and after going into general you have to scroll down to the end, and here you get an option transfer or reset your phone. So you have to tap on it and tap on reset, and here you'll get an option reset network settings. You will not lose your data by resetting your network settings, but it will clear all the bugs that your phone is facing with respect to networks. So tap on reset network settings and then try posting the story. If you are on Android, then steps may be a bit different, but you will find this reset network settings somewhere here in the settings tab. And after resetting the network settings, try posting the stories on Instagram and see if they are being posted. But if still you are not able to post stories, then let's move towards the last and final step, which is you have to tap and hold on the application and tap on delete app, and delete your Instagram application by tapping on this delete button appearing up. And after deleting the Instagram application, you have to go to App Store or Play Store again and install Instagram application again after deleting it. This will solve your issue 150%. So do let me know in the comments that which thing worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others for solving the story uploading problem on Instagram. Thank you so much.